The only thing that will make you fail on YouTube is when you are not adhering to the instruction that Vibe with Sonia is putting out for you. I try my possible best to bring out the exact thing that is actually working on YouTube and how those particular things can actually work out for you. Welcome back again to my YouTube channel. It's Sonia and I'm back again with another mind-blowing video. How you guys doing? Hope you guys are fine. Hope you guys are good. If this is the first time seeing it, do what? Subscribe, like this video, drop me your comments, and lastly, do not forget to share for every other person to get this good news. And guys, with that being said, let's dive right into this video. So before I go ahead and dive right into this video, this is the amount that my own very student made from just uploading shorts. As you guys can see on this particular screenshot, she actually sent this for me, and this is her first time, her first month of getting monetized, and has the same first month of getting monetized. This is the amount she is withdrawing, over $400, right? And the month has not ended yet though, because we still have some days. So that simply means before the month end, she must have been making over $500 already. And is it not okay for someone that just started on YouTube? It is perfectly and beautifully okay. Now, on the other end again, this is another person here. I have to close some of our chat, as you guys can see from this particular screenshot that I'm actually putting here. She says, Sonia, YouTube has made me rich. Oh, thank you so much for your teachings and everything. Now, these two particular people are people that really took what I was saying serious, and because they took what I was saying serious, it was easy for them to navigate YouTube as my students. Now, the lady that was uploading short, I told her specifically, I said, since it is short that is good for you and is working well for you on your channel, do not say you're not going to be uploading shorts. Go ahead and keep pulling out your shorts every single now and then without looking back. If you want to do a long form video, create another channel and start putting out your long form video. And she adhered to the rules and regulations. She started creating shorts, started putting out started being more creative on her short end, started doing exactly what I asked her to do. If she have any question, she rushed down to me to ask me, and I answer because yeah, she's my student. I can't throw her away, right? And at the end of the day, our channel is successful, right? As you guys can actually see it. And this other lady that I showed you guys, her screenshot on the other hand, what happened to her channel? I told her during our class, I said, create another channel. Do not just rely on one channel. So one channel might not be doing well for you, but your second channel might actually be doing well for you. And when we were done, she did exactly what I said, created another channel. And guys, guess what? The other channel that she created, she started uploading there, and that channel picked up really fast, got her monetized without she asking from help from anybody, without she coming here to do follow for follow, without she coming here to do sub for me, I sub for you, watch me, I watch you. And at the end of the day, within just a space of 1 month, she got monetized and she started cashing out. I'm going to be showing you guys the amount that she actually showed me, because I need to close up her balance, right? I'm going to be showing you out how much. Do you get? So these are people listening to instruction. I said it on this YouTube street over and over again. If one thing is not working for you, look for another thing that is working for you. Do not just rely on one channel and be like, oh, the channel is my overall, all and all. I have 3 channels that is monetized, but I can tell you for the whole fact that this Vibe with Sonia channel is the channel that is putting more money in my pocket. And that is why I do not joke with it. And that is why no matter how my busy schedules, I'm trying to do my project defense and so on and so forth. You can see how I've been putting my content here and there these few days. But at the end of the day, because it is a channel that is still doing well for me, I cannot just abandon the channel and leave the channel. Now, if it is shorts that is working out for you very well, you're making your money from shorts, or you are getting most of the views from shorts, concentrate on shorts and be more constant on it. One lady has actually come here to share her shorts history with, I think, Rose or something, shared how much she made from shorts. And it was an eye-opening for a lot of people. And this is my own student as well, coming here to like show you guys how much she is making just from shorts. This might not be much for a lot of people. A lot of people might be like, ah, this money is small. Now what am I going to do with this money? But for someone that just monetized on YouTube, this is a whole lot. And I know how she has been literally thanking me for holding her hand in hand for she to be able to achieve this. Now, another thing you should know if you actually want to succeed on YouTube, and I will keep saying it, is do not joke with your titles. Do not joke with your titles. It is very, very important. There are the things that YouTube will see, that they will be able to know which particular people need this particular video and how are they going to successfully distribute this same video to these people that need it. Do not joke with your thumbnail. A lot of people come here, put out some blurry thumbnails. If you're looking at their thumbnails, you will literally know that there is nothing to write home about. At the end of the day, YouTube will still not push it to the people that they desire to push it to. Because why? Your thumbnail is not giving people that click. It is from your thumbnail that people will see and click, especially if you have not built name. Okay, for those of us that have even built name small because of one or two issues that we're even encountering, for people to click is even a problem. Talk more of you that is just starting from scratch. You that have not built audience, you that have not, you don't even have a lot of people that anytime you pull out your videos, at least you're not even short of 200 views for yourself. So you need to work on the creativities of your shorts. You need to make sure you keep practicing every single day. We have Canva there. We have InShot. I use InShot to create most of my own thumbnail that you guys are seeing. Do you guys get? We have other good tools that you can research on, that you can get good thumbnail designs. And learn to improve in your crafts. Learn to match your designs to your competitors and see, okay, these my competitors, are they really, is my thumbnail really matching up with them? Am I really doing well? Am I really in the right direction? These are the things, these are the questions you should ask yourself. Not just sitting down there blindly and expect YouTube to do every single thing for you. YouTube will not do it. I can tell you for a whole fact. You are the one to put in the work. You are the one to put in the energy. You are the one to make YouTube push out your videos. Quit having this illusion that YouTube algorithm is partial. The algorithm is never partial. If you have the right tools, you have the right videos, you have the right things for them to push out your content, they are always there to push out your content. Because tell me why they will not push out your content. They also need you as a creator so that they can also make more money from advertisers. Yes, so you were needed. They need you greatly to contribute to the platform so that they too can also make money. So don't you think that they cannot just be partial and be like, I'm not going to be pushing Joseph's channel, but I'm going to be pushing Sonia's channel? YouTube algorithm is never partial. Another thing you should always work on your videos on, I can still tell you for a whole fact, is tags and keywords. YouTube does not just bring things and at the end of the day, those things don't work. They work. Nobody should deceive you. Do not be deceived that those things do not work. 100% they do work. I don't pull out content here without putting tags. I don't pull out content here without putting hashtag, without putting keywords. But the problem I have with people is putting the keywords and tags that is not relating to your video. So by the time you put the keywords and tags that is not relating to your video, YouTube now go ahead to push out the videos to the audience they feel like this is where the video is supposed to be. And those people that they now pull out of videos to now decided not to click, it now becomes a problem. So if you're using hashtags and keywords, make sure there are hashtags and keywords relating to what you have, relating to what is in your title, to what is in your video, to what is in your thumbnail, to what is in your description. Tell me why your content will not have visibility. Give me one reason why your content will not have visibility. I like this content so much. Lifestyle is my thing. I cannot do without lifestyle. Create another channel for another thing. You should not just drain all your ideas on just a particular channel, while there are other workable niche there that are doing so well compared to what you think you are doing. Anyways, that is the advice I have for you today, and I hope this video is able to help someone out there. If it does, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, drop me your comments, and lastly, do not forget to share. And let me know in the comment section if there's any video you actually want me to film for you. Let me know. If you still want to book us for our coaching section, you can check out the mail that is displayed on the screen, fitanija3195@gmail.com, and send us a mail and let's see what me and you can actually do, where I personally go into channel to see what is happening, what is not happening, what we can minus, what we can add, so that at the end of the day, we are going to be achieving success. Thank you so much for staying open to the end of this video. And yes, with no further ado, I'm going to be saying bye, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Start working on your content, start building your brand, and trust me, we are all going to be cashing out on YouTube. Bye for now. I love you guys. Mwah.